What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to be installing something simple, but it's something that I've been really excited for, and that is a Billetworkz weighted shift knob and an e-brake button. So let's start off with the unboxing and then jump right into the install. So starting off with the unboxing, I like that the box just slides off, so it's easy to open. It comes with this welcome card. And just underneath this film is everything, so I already did open it just because I was too excited and I wanted to see everything. But here's the weighted shift knob. I got it matte black with the Japanese engraving and the STI logo on the bottom. I got it in Japanese because I love Japan. I love everything DDM in Japan, so I just wanted to show my love for Japan and just to make it look cool instead of just having like regular numbers. So the engraving's in silver, the shift knob is matte black, and then I know the card's not an STI, but I kind of wanted something on there, so it looks cool. I might add other STI stuff to the card later on, so I think that's a nice touch. And I got the light bulb style. I think it's the most similar one to the stock shift knob, so I think it's gonna feel about the same other than the weight. But yeah, I decided to go with the light bulb. The other ones that weren't appealing to me, so yeah. And then other than that, we have here so starting off with this, we have the adapter, so that there's no gap in between the shift knob and the shift stick. So I got it black also. Was thinking of getting it red, but wanted to keep it all one color. Then we have this other adapter, which comes with the lockout knob. So I've seen people installing shift knobs without these, but I guess we need them. So yeah, just gonna figure out how that works. And lastly, I have the e-brake button, which I got it in red. I think it's gonna look good with the stitching. It does have like 2 points there where the collar, like, it doesn't have the red color, it looks like white, so it's kind of like a QC issue. There's no paint like in the bottom there. Obviously I'm not gonna see that, and if I don't see that, then I'm okay with it as well. But other than that, it's pretty good. Also has a little bit of weight to it, so very nice. But yeah, now let's go right into the install. So the first and easiest step is to just remove the stock shift knob by rotating, and just like that, it comes loose. And there you go, stock shift knob is off. Then the next step is to add the adapter. Just twist it in. This is to close the gap so there's nothing showing in between the shifter and the knob. You don't have to tighten it too much. Right there is good. After that, you're gonna want to insert the lockout knob and the other adapter, which actually will go inside the shift knob, because it's a wider opening, so you're gonna need this thicker adapter. Now then, after that, just install your shift knob. It might not be aligned on the first try, so you just gotta play with the adapter until you get it right. Finally. Took me a while, but got it pretty lined up. Looks really good, and I'm loving it. Now, I'm gonna move on to the driver's side, see if the reverse still works and everything, and it should be good. So it feels pretty good. You can feel the difference, like in the weight, but it feels good actually. I'm gonna go ahead and try the reverse, see if it still works. So okay, there it is, it's engaged. Yeah, looks like it's working properly. Let's try that again. Yep. So yeah, now let's move on to the e-brake. So the e-brake button is a little bit more difficult to uninstall because it's very small, and you have to twist it and it'll get damaged. I'm gonna use like a towel to see if I don't damage it, even though I'm gonna change it and will not use it again. I don't really want to damage it, so I'm gonna try that first. If not, I'll try without the towel. So what you want to do is use a couple of vice grips and just pinch in and rotate. That's all you need, but it's a bit difficult, so it's gonna take some time. Well guys, so much for not destroying the stuck button. I literally destroyed it. It was so hard, I had to give like 100 turns and nothing worked. So, but I was finally able to take it off. So not usable anymore, but luckily we have the new one. So I'm just gonna pull the spring out and clean this out a little bit and then install it. So after all that trouble, this is the easiest part. Just put the new button in and start twisting. You just have to hand tighten it. You don't really have to use any tools or anything. There it goes. There it is. There's the install button along with the shift knob, and of course you want to make sure it works. So just give it a couple of tries. Let's try again, and yeah, looks like it's working fine. So guys, there you have it, the install for the shift knob and the e-brake button. Now it takes a little bit to get the shift knob aligned, and also to take the stock e-brake button off. But other than that, it's pretty easy, pretty simple. Just so you guys can take another look. I really like how it looks, the red with the stitching. And then here I just decided to keep it all black. I feel like the red here was going to be a little bit out of place. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But yeah, I hope you guys like this install. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next one.